totally into it. Alexander,
So this guy's Sam's your father.
what are you doing, baby?
All this time Sam has been telling me he loves me. And now he's announced that he's engaged. So he's gone home to get married.
He's
and
just
I've never
standing
seen him
there.
again.
He's just standing.
August 4th. What a night. Bill rented a motorboat and I took him over to the little island. Bill! Don't be wait! Hang on! So I'm still obsessed with Sam. Bill's so wild. Such a funny
Alexander, you like this movie?